Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying PHP 8. X, Composer, and your Laravel codebase are in place. Once confirmed, create a multi-stage Docker file so build stays small, one stage for Composer installs and another for the final runtime. Copy Composer, JSON and Composer. Lock, run Composer install with no dev and optimize the autoloader. Make sure to set correct UID/GID for www data and include Docker ignore to avoid shipping node modules or vendor. This gives reproducible, efficient images from the first step. Once the image is building, define services in Docker Compose. IML for PHP-FPM, Nginx, and a database like MySQL. You do this so containers can communicate via network aliases and shared volumes. Mount your app code as a volume during development for immediate changes, and provide an env Docker file so environment variables differ from production. Create named volumes for persistent storage of uploads and the database. This prevents local data loss when containers restart. Finally, expose only required ports and link Nginx to PHP-FPM. To finish, run artisan migrate force and artisan config cache inside the app container so your schema and optimized settings are ready. Build and run with Docker Compose up build D and warm caches with route, cache and view, cache to improve performance. Make sure file permissions allow storage and bootstrap/cache to be written. If something breaks, inspect Docker logs, review PHP-FPM and Nginx error logs, and verify env values and database connectivity. Fixing the env or permissions usually resolves most containerization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.